Hello guys, I'm Krishna and I welcome you all on behalf of CSI chapters we called Vit-Ap University. And so today we'll take a look at a Java topic today. It is final keyword. So I hope you already know about final keyword. So I'll just kind of study an example and this video is gonna be short. It won't be long. So let's discuss what final keyword is. So final keyword, this keyword it is used in Java when we don't want to change the value of our integer. So it is useful in making our code stable or program stable, and yeah. So it is basically it is the use of it. If we assign this final keyword to any variable in Java, then the value of that keyword it won't get changed. So the value of that variable it is gonna be same in whole program. You can change the value of that variable, and if you do so, if you are gonna change that value, what Java will do, it will throw an exception or throw an error which we already know how to handle using try and catch. Okay, so let's come to the example. So first of all, I'll define a variable PSI of data type integer, and I'm using this final keyword only. And what I'm doing now, if we print out this CSI, so what do you think the value of CSI is going to be? Like, so if we run this code, let's see. It is saying that the local variable CSI may not have been initialized. It is throwing an exception because what we did, we defined this variable CSI, but we didn't define any value for this CSI. So let's say I'm defining value of CSI equal to 100, let's see. And if we run our code, then you can see it is showing 100, which we defined. So yeah, no problem with that till now, I guess. So what I'll do now, I'll try to change this value of CSE. So let's say CSI plus is equal to 200, for example. And if we try to run this code, it is throwing an exception. So you can look over here that the final local variable CSI cannot be assigned. It must be blank and not using a compound assignment. So basically it is saying we cannot change the value of CSI. After we assign this value 100 to CSI, we cannot change the value of CSI. So that's it for today, guys. I hope it was clear to you. And if you still have any doubt, you can just rewind the video, take another look at it. And yeah, you can also ask us in the comment section if you face any difficulty or problem. Till then, bye bye. See you guys in our next video. Thank you.